Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on an incredible journey from rust to riches as we dive into the world of classic car restoration. If you're a car enthusiast, grab a wrench and let's get started. So, picture this, finding an old forgotten gem in a barn or scrapyard covered in dust and rust. It might look like a lost cause, but to a true car lover, it's a diamond in the rough just waiting to be brought back to life. First things first, the teardown. This is where you strip away years of grime and neglect. Every nut, bolt, and panel comes off. It's like peeling away the layers of time. I find something incredibly therapeutic about this part. Getting your hands dirty, uncovering the car's history. Once you've got it down to the bare bones, it's time to address the rust. Rust is like cancer for cars. But don't worry, with some elbow grease and the right tools, you can cut it out and replace it with fresh metal. This step is crucial for the longevity of your restoration. Next up, the bodywork. This is where the transformation really starts to take shape. Smoothing out dents, aligning panels, and prepping for paint. It's meticulous work, but when you see that primer coat go on, you know you're on the home stretch. Now let's talk about the heart of any car, the engine. Rebuilding or replacing an engine can be daunting, but it's also incredibly rewarding. From cleaning and machining parts to bolting everything back together, you're breathing new life into the car. With the engine sorted, it's time to focus on the interior. Think fresh upholstery, restored dashboards, and that classic car smell. This is where your personal touch really shines through, making the car uniquely yours. Finally, the grand reveal, painting and reassembly. Seeing the car in its new coat of paint is like a painter finishing their masterpiece, carefully piecing everything back together, making sure every part fits perfectly. And there you have it, from rust to riches. A once forgotten relic, now a gleaming classic, ready to hit the road and turn heads. The joy and satisfaction of driving a car you've restored yourself is unmatched. So if you've ever thought about restoring a classic car, go for it. It's a labor of love, but every minute, every cut, every bolt turned is worth it. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own restoration stories in the comments below. Happy restoring!